Late Waray, where my homies at? And will you shout it loud? Waray Batazan, yo, southbound, whoa, keep it going on, keep it calm. Will you hold up? Will you throw it up? Will you listen to the music and it starts to drive? Will you hold up? Will you throw it up? Will you listen to the music and it starts to drive? Put your hands up when you throw it up, keeping it real, dedicated and loving for hip-hop. All eyes on me, come and follow me. We be rolling through the streets of that city, and you can see me walking tall and my head's up, cause I'm proud to represent, and I'm throwing it up and popping with some hard shit that'll keep me buzzing up, keeping it up, and homie keep it cranked while I want it for life. Throw it up. Will you hold up? Will you throw it up? Will you listen to the music and it starts to drive? Will you hold up? Will you throw it up? Will you listen to the music and it starts to drive? Keeping the head up when we start to rap. Every time we're on the stage, they say that it was hot, and all the ass in front of us leaves us a clog with smiles. Making noise, motherfucker, like supposed to black. Get to the real thing. Let me show you how it's done. Southbound mafia, spitting words like it's a gun. Ain't nobody could just do this. It's the logic of you. Being one of those finest is the moment of truth. Will you hold up? Will you throw it up? Will you listen to the music and it starts to drive? Will you hold up? Will you throw it up? Will you listen to the music and it starts to drive?
Real weapon of distraction, keeping it hot with a motherfucking mission, making it drop with a Filipino section, and do a thing to maintain this position. We are the top of the rap game, they said it before, bouncing loud, stepping out like we're wrecking a door. Me and my homies making history that's never been done. Waray Batazan, being real ain't joke for fun. Got it?
Will you hold up? Will you throw it up? Will you listen to the music and it starts to drive? Will you hold up? Will you throw it up? Will you listen to the music and it starts to drive?
Jumping up the scene to the higher level.
And I'll be representing all the hip-hop heads here in 6 years, spreading all the facts, catching words in every burst.
This is the moment that we're waiting to display.